This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by understanding prints_end parameter and changing it immediately. In a script, replace print x with print x end equals to avoid the new line. Once done, consecutive prints stay on the same line. You can use end equals to insert a space or end equals for separators. Make sure to test interactively so you see how output merges, because the how matters. End controls the exact trailing characters printed after each call, which changes layout and readability. Once you are printing inside loops, apply end to control spacing and line breaks without additional logic. For example, in a for loop use print I end equals to create a comma-separated stream. Also use sep to join multiple values and end to finish the whole print call. This gives tight control over separators and trailing characters. When writing to files, remember file. Writes exactly what you provide, so add \n manually or use print file equals f end equals to mimic interactive behavior. To complete your task, standardize how you end prints and ensure visibility by forcing flush when needed. If output appears delayed or missing, call print end equals flush equals true or import sys and call sys stdout flush after critical writes. If lines unexpectedly concatenate, inspect your end strings for trailing spaces or new lines and correct them. Finally, make sure logging or other libraries aren't intercepting stdout. If they are, adjust their handlers or write directly to the file descriptor for guarantee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.